Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the wallpaper image on your iPhone. So let's get started. So to start with, what you need to do is you just need to press on the settings icon here. So I'm going to just press on settings icon. So to start with, you just need to press on this settings icon here. So I'm going to just press on settings icon, and here when you scroll down a little, you will be able to see this wallpaper option. So just press on the wallpaper option, and once you press on the wallpaper option, you will see your current wallpaper. Now in here you can press on choose a new wallpaper option, and here you can choose a new wallpaper. So iPhone provides you these three options here. First one is dynamic, so you can choose from these dynamic wallpapers. Other one is stills, you can choose the wallpapers from here. The third one is live, and you can choose from these images. So let's say I want to choose from stills here, and I will scroll down a little and I will choose this wallpaper. So I'm going to just press on the wallpaper which I want to change, which is going to show me the preview of the wallpaper. And if I want to set this wallpaper as my iPhone wallpaper, then I just need to press on the set option. So I will just press on set, and then it's going to show me three options here. The first one is set lock screen, the second one is set home screen, and the third one is set both. So I'm going to set it as both, so I will just press set both, and once you do that, it's going to set this image as your wallpaper. And when I go to the home screen, I can see this wallpaper is set, right? Once again, I can go back and then choose the default wallpaper and then press on set and then press on set both, and my wallpaper is set back to the previous wallpaper. You can also choose the wallpaper from your phone using this all photos option. So you can just press on all photos and then choose an image from there also. So this is how you can change the wallpaper image of your iPhone. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.